What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Hornady RAPiD safe. I actually filmed this video over a year ago just using my iPhone. It was way before I even wanted to start like a legit YouTube channel. I was just kind of goofing around. So it's not the best quality and the audio is kind of quiet. I had to like raise it up on the editing software. Just bear with me, it's pretty cool. So it's the Hornady RAPiD safe. It's the large version. There's 3 versions: large, extra large, and extra extra large. So check it out, and then after the short video, I'll let you guys know what I think about it a year later. All right. So it was my wife's birthday, and I got her a Glock 26. It's her first gun, and I also got her this Hornady RAPiD safe. So I'm out here in my garage with my dog. So if I end up talking to him a little bit, telling him to stay in the garage, then that's what I'll be doing. But I just wanted to open it up, and I've looked at this thing online for a long time, and I finally got it, so I'll do a review on it later. Keys. My video setup is not the best. It's just my iPhone on a little tripod, but I figured what the heck. All right. Instructions, warranty, you gotta use the key to open her up first. Sweet. Alright. We got safety cable, the plug, and the RFID tags. We'll see how a Glock 26 fits in there. So there's a bracelet that'll open it as well. So these are the RFID tags. You can put them in your smartphone case or anywhere you'd like, and they're supposed to be able to open up the safe. And then a keychain, that's actually pretty sweet. Let's plug it in and see how it works. All right. So what you gotta do is open it up and then feed the wire in through the bottom. Take this pad out. Feed it up through. And then plug it in right in the front here. All right, guys, so if you want to program one of these RFID tags, open this up, I believe. There's a little red, see that red button right there? I think you just press that and then hold this within 1 inch. So that one is now programmed. So it's locked. And you have this programmed RFID tag. Pops open. Then you have access to your gun. So far, I am really liking it. I'm gonna program the rest of these. All right, let's see if we can program the wristband. And if you're wondering how to put the batteries in, there's 2 tabs. You can see right here on the instructions, 2 unlock tabs. So you can kind of see these 2 tabs right here. So you just push those down, pop this open, and you can see in there where you put the batteries. Something that I was reading is that if it's on battery power mode only and it's not plugged in, and able to unlock it with the RFID tags, you have to press a button up here, any button, and it'll set it from standby mode to ready mode. So this thing's running on battery power right now. So an example, you put the RFID tag on it, it's not gonna open up. Press any button, throws it in ready, and then it'll open. All right, guys, I just wanted to give you a reference of how the guns fit inside the safe. This is the Hornady RAPiD safe, the large version. There's also an extra large and an extra extra large version. So I've got Glock 17, 19, and 26. So, first we will start with the 17. Okay, it's looking pretty tight in there. I'm not sure. I have the longer beaver tail on there. And don't think it's gonna be ideal for a full-size gun, which is fine because that's not why I bought this. I bought this for the Glock 26, but just for reference, Glock 17, not ideal. So let's try out the Glock 19, see how that fits. So the 19 looks good. Looks really good. Closes up easy. These are full-size magazines, so these are Glock 17 mags. I just brought the biggest mag I have to show the reference because the Glock 26 mags will obviously fit in there because they are tiny. So you can fit Glock 19 with a mag in the gun. There's not one in there now, but obviously you've got enough space with 2 mags easily. All right, so the Glock 26 fits in there with a lot of room. So these are full-size mags. You could fit, I would say, 3, most likely 4 or more Glock 26 mags. This safe is pretty sweet. I'm liking it. All right, guys, hopefully you learned something from this, and I'll maybe give an update video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer them the best I can. The reason I make these videos is because when I buy stuff, I try to look up stuff online and I can't ever find all the details, and I'm not giving every detail, but just my first impressions of it, and we'll see how it goes. I'm excited to get it locked up with this, and my wife's gun will be secure. All right, so here's the safe. We've been using it for a year. I actually have the passcode programmed on it, so I don't have any RFID tags. So I'm gonna turn over there. Boom, it's open. So we use this to hold the Glock 26. I went ahead and downloaded all the magazines before making this video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys the setup that I have. I've got the Glock 26 mags that it came with in there, and I got these little pinky adapters on them. Without these, my pinky hangs right off the end of the gun, so that's why we did that. I'll give you a little example. So that's how my hand fits on it. And then I have a Glock 17 magazine up top, because if you didn't know, Glock 17 mags fit in the Glock 26. So that's why I have that in there. So it turns this subcompact gun into a gun that can hold 18 rounds. Overall, the safe has been great. As you saw in the video, the little bracelet thing it wouldn't program, and then it was hit and miss working, so I actually just don't use it because I don't want to have a chance where the safe doesn't open. The only other complaint that I have is I think it should have like a low battery thing, because it has the same batteries in it that I had last time, or like when I first got it. So it's unplugged, and I'm gonna try to put in the combination. You can hear how weak that is. And like, I had no idea the battery was dying. Usually it's plugged in, it is always plugged in. But if the power were to go out or something, you don't have your key real close, you can't open it quickly. So that's basically the only thing that I found wrong with it, apart from the bracelet not working. Not that I would have worn that anyway. But it would be nice if when the battery got low, it started beeping or did something to let you know you need to replace them, so you're not going to get your gun and you're like pressing and it's not gonna open. So yeah, I hope you guys like this short video. I had a few more that I filmed like before I even wanted to do YouTube, and I'll probably edit them up because it'll be fun to see. And then in future videos, I will be going over this stop box. So this is not a safe. It's basically where I store my carry gun when I'm not using it. You just kind of quick way to get access to your safe. It's just to keep the kids out of it. It's not in there all the time. It's just there temporarily when I'm not carrying my gun, but then I actually have a safe that I put the guns in for like storage and stuff like that. This is just to keep kids out of. It's not necessarily a safe because I feel like an adult could easily get into one of these. So that's why I don't permanently keep my guns in there, just throughout the day. All right guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I don't think anyone ever shares videos, but if you do share videos, give it a share. Hit the thumbs up button, that's what helps me out the most. Turn the notifications on after you subscribe to get notified when I upload. I appreciate you guys being here. I'll see you guys in the next one.